Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing copper ingots and a crafting table. You need these now. Once done, craft the copper bulb block and carry a light source like a torch or glow ink sack. Place the bulb where you want it to emit light, making sure the face orientation matches your intended beam or decor. You're doing this early because copper oxidizes over time, so position and initial lighting choices matter right away rather than later. Next, prevent unwanted oxidation by waxing the copper bulb with honeycomb. This preserves the fresh look and function. Make sure to link the bulb to redstone or a comparator if you need on-off behavior or state detection, because wiring affects game mechanics. Also, tweak the placement height and facing to shape light spread and visibility. These steps control both appearance and function, so take your time and test changes rather than moving multiple. Finish by securing the bulb. Wax it to lock the state and surround it with blocks or barriers to prevent accidental trampling. Then test redstone timing and observe behavior across day and night to confirm consistent performance. If you need to change appearance later, scrape oxidation with an axe or reapply wax to stop further change. One key troubleshooting tip: if lighting or redstone fails, check facing, power source orientation, and any intervening blocks. They are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.